how to check the purchase date of any iPhone. So if you want to check the purchase date of any iPhone, then stick with me until the end so you don't miss the most accurate method. First, let's start inside your iPhone settings. So open up your settings app and then you need to scroll down and tap on general. From here, you need to select Apple Care and Warranty. Now tap on your device and you will see a coverage expiry date. Since Apple provides a 1-year warranty, you can estimate the purchase date by counting a year before the expiry date. Another way to check is through the battery settings. Go back to your settings and then you need to scroll down and you need to tap on battery. Once you tap on battery, you need to open up your battery health and charging. Here, if the iPhone still has its original battery, you should see a first use date, which gives you the good idea of when the phone was first activated, usually matching the purchase period. Now for the most accurate method, you need to go back to your settings and then tap on the general again, which will be in the bottom, and then select about and copy your iPhone's serial number. Once you've copied, you need to go back and then open up coverage.apple.com on your Safari, or you can also search check coverage.apple.com, and here tap on enter serial number and then enter your serial number or paste the serial number that you've copied from your settings, and then go with next, which will be in the top right, and you'll see the detailed information including the exact purchase date. This is the official Apple verification, and that's it. With these methods, you can quickly find out when your iPhone was purchased, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.